Everyone is talking about AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini, but very few people are noticing where the real AI opportunity actually lies. The next AI race may not be won only by software companies. Rather, it could also be won by the companies building the infrastructure behind AI. And in this field, India is now quietly emerging as a strategic player. For example, take data center. AI systems require enormous computing capacity, cloud storage, and high-performance server. That's where companies like Anand Raj Limited are making an interesting shift. The company is transforming IT Park in Haryana into AI-focused data center infrastructure. Its Gurugram-based Anand Raj Tech Park is already operational as a data center facility. But there's another major challenge most people ignore: electricity. AI infrastructure consumes huge amount of power. And to address this, Adani Connex, a partnership between Adani Enterprises and HConnex, is building large-scale data center supported by renewable energy. This focus is not just expansion, but sustainable AI growth. And finally comes one of the most critical part of the AI ecosystem: raw material. AI chip and semiconductor require critical material like copper, gallium, silicon, and rare earth element, all of which are becoming strategically important in the global AI race. Right now, China dominates the market globally. But in India, Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation is working on mining and processing key rare earth metal that could support future AI hardware and semiconductor demand. So while India may still be behind in creating a globally dominant AI model, it is steadily building the system, resources, and infrastructure that AI ecosystem will depend on. And in long-term mega trend, infrastructure players often became some of the biggest winners. Now the real question is, can India become a global AI infrastructure hub over the next 10 years? Let us know your thoughts in the comment, and for more such market updates, follow or subscribe to Insights Market.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.